guys, so thought I would just pop in here and talk to you very quickly about a brand that I have been loving recently. Also, excuse how pale I look right now with this black hoodie on. I need to fake tan. So I was kindly gifted a couple of pieces from the brand Ana Luisa. I am genuinely absolutely obsessed with them, like so much. So their pieces come in these really cute little like velvety pouches, which I literally love. Like, how cute is that? So all the jewelry comes in these, and these are also perfect for like traveling and things like that. They're just really nice. So the pieces I picked out are these earrings here. They are these little lightning bolt hoop earrings, which I think are so cute. They're gold. And the other piece I picked out is actually this ring here. I wear it on my thumb as a little thumb ring because it's this really nice band. So there you go, guys. You can kind of see that there. So I went with the white, I think it was called like the white band or something. I literally love it. I will link both of them in the description down below. But yeah, I've been wearing these pieces like continuously and I am absolutely in love with them. So why I love this brand is because they are 100% sustainable and carbon neutral, which is absolutely amazing. I feel like everybody is reaching for brands like this nowadays to obviously help save the planet a lot more. They are amazing quality, like genuinely such good quality. I am absolutely in love with them. They also have something for everybody on there. So they've got bracelets, they've got earrings, they've got necklaces, they've got rings, honestly everything, and they vary from $39 I think it was to higher end prices, which is amazing because that means that they do something for everyone basically. They are also an amazing Christmas present, so keep that in mind when you're looking on their website. So Ana Luisa are actually running a Black Friday sale, which is super exciting. I love Black Friday. So yeah, I'll make sure I leave the link in the description. You can go get some discounted pieces, which honestly I highly recommend you do because I'm literally obsessed. I need to get some more because I just love them so much. So yeah, I'll make sure I leave everything in the description, like I said, including the pieces that I am wearing in today's video. And yeah, make sure you go check them out because they are amazing. Today I am filming a new video and I am so excited for this video. So guys, today I am doing a MacBook Pro unboxing. So I literally got this to me this morning. I ordered it like probably just over a week ago, but it feels like ages ago. It was meant to take like 2 weeks, but it came early. The reason I got a new MacBook is because I have the MacBook Air at the moment, the 2017 model, but I've had it 3 years now and it is starting to be quite slow and stuff. And basically I need a laptop. I need my MacBook for like everything I do, so for YouTube, for uni work, for literally everything. Like my whole life is on my laptop pretty much, so I want to kind of keep it updated in the same way like you keep your phone updated, if you get what I mean. I literally got it quite spontaneously really, because the day I was thinking about getting one and I was looking them up, I realised that there was a student deal on and it ran out that day, so I had to get the MacBook that day, otherwise I wouldn't get the student deal. With the student deal you basically get like, I think it was like £300 off of it. You get free AirPods, which literally came the next day. So I showed you these in my last video. They're just the normal AirPods and it's got Keira on it, which is really cute. So I got some free AirPods, and then I also got Final Cut Pro, which I'm so excited about. But it was like, basically Final Cut Pro is normally £300 by itself, but because I added the student deal I could get it for £180. But I didn't just get Final Cut Pro, you get the like high-end music editor. You also get something else which is good for like transitions and things like that, like making other things. It's called like Motion something, I can't remember what it's called. No idea how to use it, never heard of it before. And there was something else for music as well. So you get 4 different programs for £180 when normally just buying Final Cut by itself is £300. I don't know if I explained that Final Cut is basically the video editor that literally everybody uses, but yeah, I'm so excited that I've now got Final Cut as well. I'm so excited. That's basically the situation. So I basically got it for an amazing deal. I got like £500 off of it or something, so in fact I think it was more than that. So yeah, I got a really good deal. So I've got it next to me. It's literally still in the brown box, so I haven't even opened that box yet. So I got the MacBook Pro and I'm gonna unbox this now. Okay guys, so I've just got it out the box. Oh my god. So yeah, I got the brand new MacBook Pro. It's got like the touch bar and stuff. I literally have no idea how to use any of it, so this is going to be fun. Obviously I've got to like transfer all my stuff over and things like that. Yeah, I got the 13-inch because I'm pretty sure that's the same size as my MacBook Air currently, so I figured like I really like that size, it fits in my bag and stuff, and also it means that I don't have to buy a new case for it. My dog wants to come in. So yeah, and I also got it in space grey. I'm so excited to open this. Ugh. Okay guys, are we ready? I can't do this on camera. I'm doing this so slowly, like the lid's just not coming off. Hang on. Oh, oh my god guys. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna lift it out. Oh god. Oh god guys. The satisfying peel. I think it's actually a little bit smaller than my laptop currently, but I'm obsessed. Look how nice it is guys. Yeah, so I got it in space grey. Feels so thin. Okay guys, so it's definitely smaller than my... It's turning on. Oh my god, look how nice that is guys. Wow. Okay, I think it's the same size as my one I've got now, but I think because the screen is like whereas the one now I've got like a thing around the outside, if you get what I mean. I think that's my problem. But yeah, how nice is this guys? I'm going to set this up in a minute, so I'm going to
use English as the main language, press the return key.
I'm going to close that for a sec, so we'll sort that in a second. I'm going to show you guys what else you get in the box. So it's quite a big box, I'm just thinking, considering like, you know what I mean, like that's it. So you get the little instruction thing, then obviously you've got the cable here, and then the charger, which I think it's pretty much the same as my old charger. Thought I'd mention as well, I'm doing the trade-in scheme with Apple, which I think is amazing. So basically I'm sending back my old laptop and I should get £240 back for it as well, so that's another good thing. So I'm saving then £240 on top of like the student deal and everything, which is really good. Lovely, lovely charger. That's literally all you get in it, so I don't really, again, I don't know why this box is so like fat when that was it, but yeah. Okay, so there is quite a big difference between laptops actually, so I will need to get a new case, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, as you can see, that's actually quite a big difference, but I'm not really too bothered because to be honest, this is huge. So let me just, oh my god, I've already got fingerprints on the laptop. Can you see the difference? So it is quite a big difference, but to be honest, who cares? Who cares? So yeah, this is quite a big laptop to be honest with you guys. So I'm now going to play around with the laptop and I'll get back to you guys in a bit when, yeah. Get ready for the videos to be 10 times better than normal, hopefully, fingers crossed, because, you know, I've got Final Cut Pro now, so. Okay guys, so I'm literally sat down on the floor right now, but I couldn't be bothered to put my tripod up, so I'm such a good YouTuber, I know. So I thought I would give you guys a little bit of an update on the MacBook. So I've had it for now, how many days have I had it for? 3 days, literally only 3 days. It feels like way longer though. Yeah, I got it on Monday. You saw me unbox it. I had such a mare with that MacBook, you have no idea. Basically, I will explain my kind of experience with it. So I turned it on and everything was fine. And then basically I went to transfer my stuff from my old MacBook to my new one, and literally just on the setup mode, and it wouldn't do it. So I literally waited like so many hours. I mean, my Wi-Fi is pretty bad anyway, so that's probably one of the reasons why it took so long. Got to about 3-4 o'clock and it said 33 minutes remaining, and then it continued to just say 33 minutes remaining until about 6 o'clock. So at 6 o'clock I was like, right, okay, I'm gonna have to cancel this and start again because it's clearly not doing anything, it's just frozen. So I cancelled it, went to transfer it over again, but then it just froze on the first screen and I was like, great, okay, so that's not doing anything either. So I left that for about an hour or something, and then I cancelled it again. Then I decided basically you can transfer later if you wanted to. So I was like, okay, we'll transfer later after the setup's done. So I pressed the button which was like to not transfer over and just to continue with setting up, and basically it wouldn't even turn on. It came up with a few weird symbols. One of them was like a little, you know, like a little circle with the line through it. It literally came up with that instead of the apple. And then other times it just said that it couldn't restart or something, and it was like press any key to continue, and every time I pressed another key to continue, it just wouldn't do it. So it was a mare. So I had to go on the Apple live chat, which, to be honest guys, they are amazing. Like, they genuinely are so good, and obviously it's so quick being a live chat. So I went on that, and then I was talking to a really nice girl, and she talked me through these steps on how to reinstall like macOS or something. I don't know, it's called something like that. It's the whole system basically. So I had to reinstall that. I did that. That took me like a good few hours. And then overnight I basically transferred my stuff over and it worked. So that's great. That was the first thing. Second thing was, it was on Tuesday morning and I had a bunch of lectures to do. Luckily I had nothing on Monday when I was setting this up, so I didn't miss out anything there. But on Tuesday I knew I had some things to do, but luckily it all like set up. I was like feeling great about it. All my stuff had transferred over, but then I couldn't find Final Cut or any of the Pro Apps bundle that I got with it. I couldn't find them anywhere, and I was like, great, now what? So I went on the live chat again, had to call some people, but we ended up finding it because basically, hint for anybody out there with the same problem, if you go onto your previous order or your order history, you need to connect your Apple ID with that order, otherwise you won't get the apps basically. So I did that and then it was all in the App Store and it was all good. And after that, it's been great. Honestly guys, I love it so much. It's not a huge difference, I'm not gonna lie, to my MacBook Air, so I am like, maybe I should have got the MacBook Air, because obviously the Pro is a lot more expensive and I don't really know what the difference is. Like, I'm looking at it now and I'm like, it seems no different to my MacBook Air. But I love the touch bar, and that is actually something that I think you only get with the Pro. The touch bar is amazing, like it's so cool. I'll show you guys that in a second. And also I love the Touch ID, I think that's really cool as well. But I know you do get that on the MacBook Air because my mum's got a newer MacBook Air. But overall guys, I absolutely love this laptop. I think it's just really good. So yeah, I do highly recommend it. I also got the 13-inch one, which I thought was the same size as my old one, but my old one was a lot bigger. Turns out they are the same size, they're both 13-inch ones, but this one, I don't know what it is. I think it's like got less, it hasn't got like a border around it and things like that. So it is smaller, but it's not, if you get what I mean. That is my little review of it. Honestly, I love it. I'm currently on Zoom. I feel like people can hear me, but they can't. But like, it comes up with everything on the touch bar, which is really cool, as you can see. So it kind of links with what you're doing. And then you also have these buttons, like the volume. You just tap it. It's really cool. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little review. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure to check out the description and check out Anna Louisa's jewellery. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very soon with a new one. Bye!